Another day, another dollar. Okay, let's break down this beautiful trade on euro dollar, which happened yesterday. And on this trade, I made $1,700. I will show you a screen somewhere here. So yeah, let's break it down. So let's start out with the daily time frame. So price was trending at, it was yesterday. So price was trending at this level right here. As you can see, price completely shut up. So if I held, it would be amazing trade, but whatever. On a daily time frame, you can see price is in a clear bullish trend, making higher lows and higher highs. So I want to buy, obviously, where at some key level, which at this point it was this daily key level for me, which is also like a weekly level. And what I noticed, if I drop down on a lower time frames, price was trending down on H4, making series of higher lows, lower highs and lower lows, and then price broke market structure right here, resulting a new higher high point. So after higher high point, what I want to see is some type of a higher low point, potentially at some key level. Okay. This trade was taken on the 30-minute time frame, but let's drop down on H1. Now, price pushed up at Friday. Price was pulling back like almost 3 days. Okay, but I was still bullish at like all this. I was bullish, but I was waiting for that right moment to happen, because like if we drop down on M30 or M15, you can see that price was doing some type of a downtrend, like a little counter trend on the major uptrend. So for me, what I wanted to see like that clear shift for me to open a buys, to be ready, which happened exactly right here when price, as you see right here, broke this high, resulting a new higher high. And after pullback, that's where I hoped to entry. I was also using my FIBs from A to B, and price pullback around 78.6, which is a pretty decent pullback, a really strong pullback. But still, until price breaks this low, price is bullish. Okay, which means I want to buy unless we broke this structure level and starts to break trend down. Unless that, I want to buy until that. So yeah, as I said, I waited when price broke this level of resistance, broke this level of structure, then gave me this pullback, and that is actually where I entered. I entered somewhere. I entered on a 30-minute when price break this high of this candlestick. My stop loss went under this zone, 25 pips, and my target, originally I was targeting this negative 27, which was 2.8 my risk, but I didn't close the trade there because I closed the trade right here, because I noticed we got this previous level of structure right here, this level of resistance here and here, possibly here, and I noticed the selling pressure in the past at this level, which I was thinking we are gonna get to the negative 27. Okay, but like as you can see, we barely tapped it, which is cool, but like it was just a grab of liquidity of these highs, all of these highs. And imagine like if the liquidity grab is right here only, we grab all of these highs, but we never tapped negative 27. Price never ever came to my break even, so it would be great, but what could easily happen, price could reverse from this level. So the safe target for me was right here. I was holding, but when I saw this candlestick closing under and starts to little reject the level, that is when I decided to close. I also used my counter trend line, which I will explain you right here. When you got your push and your pullback is doing something like this, okay, you want to see, you want to wait and see this counter trend line, and you can use it like this. And when price breaks this counter trend line, it's usually gonna break it, gonna retest it, and then it's gonna touch the high of this trend. You know, so you can use this counter trend line as a tool to help you possibly to either sell to go down, but that's what I'm not doing. I'm waiting for the pullback because I'm trending this main trend, high, low and high, and I go up from there. So I use my counter trend line from point A to point B. I use it like this. Okay, price. This was the start, point A. This was point B. This was point C, point D, and then price broke it. Okay, which was another confluence for me, you know. And when price broke it, price retested it, give me my entry signal, and from that point it was just a matter of 3 hours, and take profit was completely smashed. Yeah, that was this trade. As I said, I made $1,700 on this trade. Beautiful setup. I would rate it as a A, not an A plus, but A for sure. And what I was analyzing for next move on EU, which happened unfortunately at like basically at market open. Again, I was having my counter trend line like this, and what I realized was I don't trade that much these patterns, but when they are like this big and this valid, the market respects them all the time. As you can see, this was left, this was it, and this was right shoulder. Price breaks it. I considered it like a normal break of structure, not like a left head and right shoulder, but I consider this like a break of structure right here. This trend line respects the neckline of this structure or head and shoulders, and this was some intraday key level, and as you can see, price tapped this level beautifully, and my target was this yellow line, but I cannot catch this setup because, as I said, I was sleeping. It was at 1 a.m. You know, but if I were trading this price action, my entry would be right here with stop loss under this low, and my target would be right here for 2.3 again, which would be another $1,700. But hey, it is what it is. I'm happy. I'm grateful with what I made, and yeah, like, and that's it, guys. That's it. Like, I'm mostly using market structure. If you can understand market structure and how the market structure works, you can be profiting from these markets forever almost. You know, like, you only need to understand that the market moves like this. Okay, let's say this is a H1 time frame, and market moves like this. So if I know I'm bullish, why would I be selling somewhere here or here or here? Or why I want to buy like here close to this high? I don't want to do that. I want to spot the new high low point on this bullish trend, and I can spot the possible new high low point on this trend again by the shift of market structure, because as you can see, this was the low, this was the high of this trend. Okay, all of this was a pullback, and price, as you can see, price never ever broke this high. Okay, so still not valid, still not valid, still over. That's it. When market structure made this transition on the lower time frames, I know, okay, this is the main trend. And now H1, H4, M15, M30, every time frame is bullish right now. So another push, another pullback, entry, and write the price either to the high or negative 27. And that's it. You only need to understand market structure, basically. Of course, there is a few other things you have to understand, such as liquidity, such as key levels, such as candlestick analysis, such as momentum. I also trade like heavy based on momentum. But if you understand market structure, you are on a good run, because the market moves based on market structure. Like you only see market doing this, or you see market doing this, which is range, or you see market doing this. You're not gonna see market doing anything else, okay? Which means market's going either up or sideways or down. And that's it. So yeah, that was it for the breakdown. If you find this video somehow helpful, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys next time.